It's not too difficult to figure out what this is. It's a fire hose nozzle with the size marked with a red sticker. I bought it at a flea market for 10 bucks. I always thought that it would make for a cool lamp. This is a small candle lamp that I picked up at Home Depot. I think it's time that these two became one. The bottom part of the nozzle was painted blue, but I think I'll buff the whole thing and leave it a natural, shiny silver. I changed to a cloth buffing wheel. These are various grits of material. You apply them to the cloth to achieve the desired effect you're after. I'll start with the number 1 and work my way up if necessary. Once I'm satisfied with the results, I'll figure out a way to mount this candle lamp inside the nozzle. The plan is to cut this thick piece of mahogany wood, mount it inside the nozzle, then drill a hole in it and mount the candle lamp inside the wood. I cut the wood into a circle so that it fits snugly inside the nozzle. I'm not sure how effective this is going to be, but I'm going to try it anyway. I'm boiling the wood for 15 minutes in order to soften it. Now I'll pound it in place. I figure as the wood dries and expands, this thing will never come out. For the base, I'm using my laser to cut 4 perfect circles. Since I don't have any thicker wood this size, I'll glue 2 of the larger ones together for the base and then 2 of the smaller circles together for the inside base of the nozzle. To mount this shiny plastic inside the wood, I need to scuff it up using some sandpaper. I tried a couple different adhesives but just wasn't satisfied. I grabbed my Titebond wood glue and after drying, it seems like this will work just fine. Before gluing the 2 bottom sections together, I cut a 1/4 inch semicircle into the side of the top piece. This will allow space for the power cord. I need to cut the power cord in half to fit through the base and then rejoin it after. For the wood finish, I'm testing out this chunky salsa. Actually, it's just amber shellac. To get a tight fit on the base and to protect the wire, I'm wrapping it in electrical tape around the perimeter and then I'll thread it into the base. Back to the laser to cut the felt pad. I could use scissors, but hey, if you got the toys, you might as well use them. I found this tiny lampshade at a thrift store for only $1. I love that you can still read the stamped letters on the front. SFD TRK1. I assume that means San Francisco Fire Department, Truck 1.